the city centre is with an e-bike.
Ymgyrch Lathyrus is a anti-social behaviour initiative in the Swansea city centre in line with the Safer City initiative, targeting antisocial behaviour in specifically looking at the illegal use of illegally adapted pedal cycles and cycling antisocially within the city centre area. This has come off the back of numerous complaints we've had from the public in relation to cycling within the city centre area and the behaviour of the cyclists and the riders.
49.6 miles an hour.
There's lots of people who've been coming up asking what we're doing and really supportive of it. I think it's something really nice to see that they kind of, one of their priorities is being tackled by us. The feedback we're getting is really good. So today we've been out with the Swansea City Rangers. We've been out with the Immigration Service and Trading Standards as part of this operation. We've done 2 months of very much an education-based approach to this, trying to stop the riders and explain to them why their bikes are illegal and trying to encourage them to change the bikes. Unfortunately, for some of them, they haven't listened, so today is our first day of action. This will continue. I think we've got another couple of dates in the future that we're looking to take the matter further, do another couple of days of action. Hopefully this will have a bit of a ripple effect and we'll see a marked difference in people cycling and using illegally adapted bikes.